Hello, my name is Dominik Walter. I'm the CEO of pedcad Foot Technology in Germany, and I'm happy to announce the close collaboration between iSun 3D from Shenzhen and pedcad in Germany. pedcad created a closed loop for insole production from measure to print, and to show you this, we're gonna take a look at our subsidiary Orthopedic Walter, where we treat our own patients, we collaborate with doctors, and we use this closed loop to manufacture insoles. Follow me. Welcome to our own clinic, Orthopedic Walter. Here we close the whole loop from the first contact with the customer. Orthopedic Walter, as many clinics all around the world, offers its own brand, the so-called Valinos. It's custom-made 3D printed orthopedic sandals that are produced at order in Germany. Our closed loop starts with our own software, the Ped Office, and we cover everything from the podiatry medical treatment of the foot to the complete analysis of the foot for insole production. For every patient, we take a 2D scan, a 3D scan, and display it in our own Ped Office software. All together, here you can see the 3D and the 2D scan. After that, we're always taking a dynamic measurement, a dynamic analysis for a deeper understanding of what happens with the foot. Here you can see the pressure plate. The patient walks dynamically over it over and over again. And the results show high pressure points. The warmer the color, the higher the pressure, as well as additional biomechanic information that tell us a lot about what's wrong with the patient's gait and where we can start to treat the foot.
So to sum up, the complete closed loop contains 3 steps. First is gathering customer data as well as foot measurement data from different devices all in one place. You can collect information about the foot type and the pain zones as well as the shoe the customer wears. All those information will be sent with a click of a button to the central design station, where our experience for more than 30 years of insole treatment take care about insole designing automatically. iSun 3D will prepare the insole in the 3D printing technology in Shenzhen, so you can get delivered a ready-made insole at your customer's needs.
This complete closed loop and workflow will be available with our partners iSun 3D in China for clinics like this that treat everything all around the foot from measure to print without any media breaks.